Welcome back to CountyLine TV, guys. Don't forget, when we get to 1,000 subscribers, one of you subscribers that has your subscription status public is going to win a BMW E36 318i or 318 Ti. So tell your friends, tell your mom, get subscribed. Today we're working on this Corvette. A bunch of my stuff came in. Actually, it came in 6 days early, so shout out to rockauto.com for that. But I got one box here and 3 more there full of parts. I need to grab a knife. I don't have a knife on me right now. Get these open and we'll start putting stuff together on here. Do a full tune-up. Probably the hardest part is going to be putting the spark plugs back in, just because some of them are in like awkward, hard to get to spots. So that's going to be the first thing I do, just to get the hard part out of the way. Dang, I kind of need a gapping tool, because these don't ship with the little covers over them. That's kind of important, I think. Those are the same. Maybe none of them got hurt, but I'm gonna find out. So it looks like all the plugs came out gapped the same, even though they weren't shipped with the gap protection on them. But I'm just gonna stick them in here anyway.
It's like the psyche has a personal trip.
But he tells me I never have to move out. Good and tight.
Yeah, you just don't know because all you drive is rotaries. Let's get these coils off of here. I don't know how they're held on, but I think it's these. I don't know anything about OLSs, if we're being honest.
Well, they cost money is the issue.
Looks like I'm...
GM motor.
Looks like I'm one short.
Yeah, he's got a lamp. He's got a lamp.
Oh, right there. I'm gonna have to pull my alternator off to get all these coils off. I'll get back to you when I get this off. I don't know what GM was thinking, but I guess they think it's okay to put 15s on stuff. But listen, all you need is like the even numbers and a 19 and a 17. But like 13, 15, 16, 18, you don't need none of that. Hey, easy on the F-bombs. We're recording. Quiet on the set.
You can fast forward.
Guys,
I'm supposed to instinctively know.
we're recording here.
Justin out here dropping the F-bombs and breaking myself, man. You say God?
No.
What about regular?
No.
Well, normally you
Look how goofy my dead cat looks now. It's all tilted forward.
your dead cat.
Whoa, all right.
You're editing all this out anyway.
I gotta stop recording because these guys don't know how to potty mouth off camera. So I gotta take these coils off and swap them out. I think you just take this nut and this bolt out and then put the new coil on. So see, you see what I'm talking about here? You see what I'm talking about? I got all the coils on. That was a little bit of a project. Alternator bolt had to come loose and stuff. But anyway, now I'm on the opposite side of the car with the plug wires, so I need to go get those. That's something I do a lot, is walk back and forth for no reason. Dude!
I threw away all the trash and somebody left some up.
I bet somebody was sponsored by Rock.
God!
It's there! It's called Wonderful Vocabulary.
You're stuffing my vocabulary, bud.
I can't get a box open to save my life today.
The story of your life.
LOL.
You can't fall out of one to save your life.
You guys are bad. Why did grease come with these? Are you supposed to grease these?
Yeah, the inside. This is insulating grease.
Is it?
Yeah. You don't have to.
I don't like grease. I don't like dealing with it.
You're supposed to. And
Stop it. I'm not.
You're supposed to break in a clutch, supposed to break in an engine,
you're supposed to break in brakes.
I ain't doing a lot either.
We know.
Oh.
I don't even believe after I change my brake pad.
We don't have to. You don't have to.
They do.
No, they don't. Why would they say? Well, I would.
That's why they make.
Yeah, that's bad advice.
I'm done doing like the basic little tune-up there. Now I'm going to blow out the MAF, and then we're going to go test drive the car. So I'll see you guys on the test drive.
MAF.
Oh, rip, we have a check engine light. Woo!
That's different. Did you plug your core packs in right?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's fine. Keep cranking.
Well, something ain't right. She won't even start. Let me plug in the old, keep recording. The old OBD scanner here. What?
Dalton over here.
I have a scanner right on me right now. Like it's already plugged in.
Look at this twat. Up there cheesing.
Who's cheesing?
Dalton.
Oh. Codes found 3. Wow. Read codes. Manufacturer control 3 times. Wow.
What is it?
Where is that? Manufacturer control 3 times over. This thing won't start. Something is not happening properly. Something ain't happening right.
Stop.
Smell a lot of gas.
Stop and get out of the car.
Yeah. After doing a little bit of troubleshooting, Rock Auto sent me 8 dead coil packs, not one of them sparked. So we put my old coil packs back in, which sucks because a coil pack might be the problem. So now like all the work we just did might be in vain. But that's stupid, but I'm gonna try to start it. There's some stuff in the engine bay, but I don't think anything's gonna fall and hit something that matters.
Keep cranking it. Your alternator isn't it? It'll come out. Hey, your alternator isn't all the way bolted.
Yeah, I gotta fix that real quick.
Okay. I don't think that's the issue, but
No, but I need to fix it real quick.
that's so weird.
What is that about?
Keep giving it gas.
I can't. I'd have to get completely in the car. Let me get it in the car.
It's not possible. Jordan, that's not possible. Drag it off a couple times. Got black horns coming out all the way to the ceiling.
That thing where it died, it always does that when it's cold. The cold tune idle.
You don't have to tell me about it, man.
Let's take it for a rip. Alright, we're gonna pull out on the road here and pretty much just immediately do a rip and see if it pulls all the way to redline or not. And we're gonna go this way because Kramer already messaged me. I'm gonna let that car go a little bit. Don't roll in there.
That's it.
That felt okay.
That felt good.
Let's see if the car shakes at idle. Not really, that seems pretty okay. It was shaking the car pretty violently before. That seemed pretty okay, so now we're just gonna change the oil, nut and bolt the car, and take it to Riverside next weekend. Hopefully I can see a couple of you guys there to go drifting with us. But I think I actually forgot to show this part on camera, and a lot of you, a lot of my friends, I guess, not strangers really, but a lot of people reached out to me about the problems with this car, and I really appreciate that, because any input, like, I'm a good mechanic, but like any input is like I like that. I like help. So thanks to you guys. But this guy was rather suspect, not looking too hot. So I think that was a big part of my problem. And I don't know, the car seemed to pull good even with my old coils. I am gonna try to source some coils that work, because it would be nice to at least have some spares that I know will like fire if I have one actually like fail on me at the track or something. But anyway, like I said before, we're gonna go ahead and close it out here. Look at that video there, or this playlist here. Subscribe if you're not already. Tell your mom to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.